In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set iPhone charge limit. Let's get started. This feature is especially useful if you want to avoid charging your iPhone all the way to 100% all the time. Launch settings, go to the option battery. Now head over to the option charging. Now here you're going to find this section of charging limit. Now you are able to choose a maximum charging percentage such as 80%, 85%, 90% or 95% depending on what your device supports. Once you select your preferred limit, your iPhone will automatically stop charging when it reaches that percentage. This helps reduce long-term battery wear by avoiding constant full 100% charging cycles. If you only see optimized battery charging instead of a manual charge limit, that means your iPhone uses smart charging behavior to slow down charging after 80% based on your usage patterns. Keep in mind that not all iPhone models support manual charge limits. This feature is mainly available on newer devices with updated iOS version. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.